Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay, and this channel is dedicated to short how-to tutorials with the purpose of teaching you a variety of skills. Please like and subscribe for future content, and let's get started. Today we'll be looking at Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet tool that enables users to format, organize, and calculate data in a spreadsheet, and by using Excel, data analysts and other users can make large amounts of information easy to view as data is added or changed. So today we're going to cover the basics such as opening the program, using the worksheet, as well as cursor varieties and keystroke navigation. Now this is a basic tutorial. I'm not going to get in depth on anything. I just want to show you the basic format so you can see what you're getting into with Excel. Now this is a workbook and it comes with worksheets. When you open it, you're going to see this basic layout. You're going to see a little set of icons up here, and you're going to see this home ribbon, and you're going to see this information down here. Now let's define these elements. This is your quick access toolbar, and it lets you have quick access, not named aptly, to different things such as opening a new worksheet, opening, it's the same thing, saving, quick print, undo, and redo. Now everything that I have checked is going to show up. So if I want to add email and quickly email this to someone, I can put it up here, click the link, and it'll sync with my Outlook and email. So this is your quick access toolbar. Right directly below is your home ribbon. And you've got a ribbon with many different tabs. And we won't get in depth on the tabs, but I will let you see what's on them. The Home tab has the most variety of things and covers font, text alignment, and it formats the cells in numbers or different kinds of formats. It also has formatting for your cells and your entire worksheet. Now the Insert tab can insert tables, pivot tables, charts, and pictures. Page layout is basically your margin and orientation. Formulas will give you the information you need based on what type of formulas you're going to use. And trust me, if you get into Excel pretty big, you're going to be using these formulas. Data is when you've got the data in the worksheet and you want to format it. Review is spell check and thesaurus. And you can also add comments if you're sharing with another user. View is for the different views of Excel. It shows you a page break preview, and it also shows you the layout and custom views. You can also freeze panes and hide them so that you can move up and down and your columns will stay at the top. And you've also got a Help tab. You've also got a File tab, which will allow you to save and save as well as print. Now, you've got cells down here, and you've got columns which go along the top and are lettered, and rows that go along the side which are numbered. Now, you won't get to change these numbers and letters. They will stay as is. And as well, you've got the worksheet area, which has cells that are lettered and numbered. So if I click on this, which is C and 7, it tells me in the name box that it's C7. And if I want to type in this, I simply start typing, hello, this is cell C7. And if you want to take that information out, you simply click on the cell and hit delete. Now up here is the formula bar, and if you want to start adding formulas to your spreadsheet, which you definitely will, you can click on this and add any type of text or formulas, and we'll go over that in a later video when we get a little bit more familiar with formulas. But for now, we're staying with the basics. As well, we want to go over your cursor formats. Now the cursor I have right now is just a selection cursor. It's a large white cross shape, and when you get up into the ribbon, it turns back into the pointer cursor as well as the quick access toolbar. When you're in the name box and the formula bar, it turns into your I-beam. And when you're on the columns and rows, it turns into either the arrow pointing to the right or the arrow pointing down, which you can select multiple columns. And also, if you go directly in between a column or directly in between two rows, you can resize, and that will be covered in later videos. And let's undo that resizing by going up here to our undo, and we'll go back to normal. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is your sheets. You've got multiple sheets in a workbook, and I'm not sure how many sheets you can add without overloading your workbook, but I know it's a lot. And you start out with one sheet, you can add two, you can add as many as you like with the little add button. And this added sheet 6 because I had added a few worksheets before. You can go down here and rename it. You can right click on the sheet tab and choose rename, delete, or insert. You can also move and copy it and change the tab color. So these are the basics of Excel right here. You've got your home ribbon, you've got your worksheet, you've got your formula bar, you've got your name box, quick access toolbar, and you've got all the information you need to get started in the basics of Excel. Now don't be afraid. We're going to go over more, including formulas, validating, charts, and graphs, and we're going to put in many things into our Excel spreadsheet that will let us optimize our data analysis. And I hope you follow me for the next video. Thanks.